Right, so you try and keep stock to suit everyone. It's not always possible, but I mean, low hour tractors, there's just something about. This thing's done 469 hours, and it's just beautiful. L1501, 50 horsepower on the turf tyres, got front weight frame, Kubota diesel engine. Sweet as a nut, as they all are. Hydrostatic transmission. Cruise control on the hydrostat. 70 reg 2020. Category 2 3-point linkage. Rear spool valve, PTO. It's just absolutely beautiful. ROPS, rollover protection. She's been through the workshop, she's been serviced. Four-wheel drive, as you'd expect. Just doesn't come much better than this. 469 hours. She's absolutely stunning. Going on the website soon.